another question.
Okay, so welcome everyone at Bangalore office and Delhi office and everyone who joined in. Okay, so we're going to start with the hot seat. I've received lots of questions from everyone, and yeah, so we make sure that they can hear us. Let's keep it on mute so that Okay, so we start with the hot seat. I have all the questions. I'll be asking on behalf of everybody who sent the questions. So one by one, each of you, please answer quickly, and yeah, we want some dirt. Okay, this one is for Sridhar sir, the first one. So we got to know something interesting about you from Aparna ma'am during one of those video shoots. So we want to know, if you were a Star Trek character, who would you be and why?
Spock or Data? Because they were the most logical.
This is for Sudhir sir. If you were a cartoon, who would you be?
Calvin?
Okay, why?
Because I don't think I can relate to what's happening around here. I'm just trying to make sense of things.
Okay. Sridhar sir. Okay. This is for Sridhar sir. Sir, how many blue color shirts do you have?
I said Aparna should answer that.
I'm not on politics.
But the data is there. It's not
Data is in the hub.
Audience vote.
Okay, this is for Sudhir sir.
So you didn't get an answer for that. So phone a friend Karen.
Yes, Aparna ma'am, if you could answer for.
Is there any lifeline available?
Yes, you will.
No lifeline, but lifeline is available.
Yes, ma'am, if you can answer.
I have to count.
You have the count. Okay, that's answer enough. Okay, Sudhir sir, this is from Shubhra. Have you ever cried while watching a movie, and if yes, which one?
I cry all the time. So I definitely cried Tare Zameen Par. I've cried Barfi. These are two I remember immediately.
Okay, Sridhar sir, this one again. What's your favorite number on the fans regulator?
Zero. One when it gets extremely hard.
Okay. Okay, Sudhir sir, if you could be a villain in any movie, which one would you be?
You have to give me options. Before I got married, Ranjit.
10 out of 10.
Sir, still closer to the mic.
Okay, the question is the villain.
Okay.
I said before I got married, Ranjit, and after I got married, I think
3 Idiots.
Sandeep has no villain and the other Barfi has.
Okay. Sridhar sir from Maulik. How many times has your computer crashed because of your code? Codes.
Code.
Coding.
Your programming and everything.
Yeah, not too.
I think people crash more often.
Sudhir sir, there's a special request for you to sing your favorite song.
Wow.
I don't have a favorite song. Really, I don't have a favorite song.
So you're just getting out of answering this. We just tell us what's your favorite song, we'll let it go at that.
And then Bhavna will sing for him.
Yes, you can do that.
It's more a test of memory. We don't have memory in either. But that's nice. Tara can sing for me.
যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয় যদি সবাই তাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে বয় তবে পরাণ ভুলে তবে পরাণ ভুলে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনে কথা একলা বলো রে যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
Okay. Somebody said that people used to call you DD in college days, and we want to know what that stands for.
Yeah, there were many different reasons, many different versions and reasons. So one was, there used to be some chocolate in those days, I forget the name, which was called double decker. It used to be a double decker thing. So there were many different versions, that was one of them.
Okay. Any reason why they call you a double
Because I
decker
used to-
chocolate?
Because I used to eat a lot of that.
Okay. So this we want to know how many hours you spend on the phone every day.
if it's Shubhroto on that day, you can multiply the number by 3.
And if it's Dipali?
Dipali slash Shubhroto.
Okay. This is from Meghna Sridhar sir. What's the one childhood memory that you would share with students if you were a teacher?
I think it was that while we were in school, like just I remember the way we would, like, school was 20 kilometers away in Delhi, and the whole experience, not just what we were doing in school, but just going to school and coming back. I think we learnt more than actually in school, and there were many such things. We used to play games in the bus, word games and other kinds of things and so on. So I think I feel we always learnt a lot from that process.
Sudhir sir, which is your favorite phase in life? School years, IIT days, PG days, first job? One of these. And why?
I think the most exciting time for me was when we were starting Eklavya. Just at the time when we three of us are actually going around the country and visiting schools and understanding things like, I think one clear memory I have was at Mirambika, that is at the Aurobindo Ashram in Delhi, where I saw the school and I thought that if ever there was a school that I would want to create, this would be it. So it was a very clear and strong memory that I have. It's a lot of philosophy that attracted me, even Krishnamurti kind of attracted me a lot. but both of them pulled me back to reality and said, let's get back home and let's do something. So I think that was very exciting.
Sridhar sir, if you could be one politician today or in history, who would you be?
I mean, if you asked, it's a non-politician, and I wanted to name someone like Vikram Sarabhai, but yeah, so that's the closest. I can't think of a politician.
Sudhir sir, this is from Vasundhara. Because of your height, which has been the most funny or embarrassing moment for you?
There's been lots. There's been conversations when I've been standing in buses in Bengal, in Calcutta, and people discussing my height as if I was not there. in that bus. In Nagpur, in engineering, we wanted to go and beat up some auto drivers. And people told me, you don't go, the police will catch you. My friends on railway platforms telling me, we don't need an indicator, you just stand and we'll all come to you. One of my girlfriends in engineering who was 5 feet 1 inch, and when we used to walk together, people used to make all kinds of jokes. Lots, I mean, I can go on and on.
Sridhar sir, we saw some picture which Aparna ma'am showed us of you dancing in a party. So if you were to dance on a song, which one would you choose?
So these are a test of memory. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know. I think there are songs I like, and the songs that you can dance on are probably different. So it would be Govinda number something if the thing had to be a dance.
Okay, so the last one is for Sudhir sir. If you could go out for dinner with one celebrity, who would it be and what would you order?
One of the celebrities who I've always had a crush on was Dimple. So, and that was post Bobby. It was more closer to the Sagar time, not the Bobby Dimple. So I think, what would I order? I would order aphrodisiacs. Hoping that she would also agree.
Provided they are on the menu. Thank you, sir. That was all for the hot seat. Now we'll move to reading out messages from old EI people. And Asmiji will begin that. Thank you so much, sir.